Hey there, today we're going to review the Bostitch 16 gauge finish nailer. This is one that you use with a compressor. The 16 gauge is a good gauge to do trim work, install door trim, baseboards. The 16 gauge, as you can tell, it's pretty thick, and compared to so an 18-inch. Compared to an 18-inch, definitely thicker. So when you want something with a little bit more hold than an 18, a 16 is pretty versatile. Everybody should have at least a 16 gauge nailer, even if you're just a homeowner, but obviously if you're a trim nailer or a trim carpenter, which I was for many years, ran baseboard, installed doors, all of that. Anyhow, I'll show you pretty much how to load this up. Loads right here, and just release it, and it's going to go up. That's how you basically put in your nails. Always put oil in for each use, and that's always going to be my tip. If you don't want jam nails, put oil in after each use. I've yet to have that many jam nails using that philosophy. Alright, so this is a little different. It's a little older version of a jamless, but if you have a nail that did jam, essentially you pinch these and you lift this up, and then you can see the nails and take any one that's damaged in there, and then just put it back in. If you want to adjust how far you want the nail to go, this is where you do it. This screw thing. Yeah, the 16 gauge is a very nice tool. The Bostitch, for the price, is a very good nailer, especially if you already have a compressor. Sometimes they even run deals on the sets, which you get a lot of the nailers basically for the cost of the compressor. So I definitely recommend the Bostitch. It's a good brand in nail guns.